Sometimes reality is stranger than fiction, other times reality straight up seems like fiction. We are not talking about magic and mermaids and knights in shining armor. We are talking about the strangest little known things on the planet. The world is full of amazing, astonishing, truly incredible things you never knew existed. Here we have rounded up our 5 favorites that will make your head spin. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. A plant that lives for thousands of years. Found in the Namib Desert, the Welwitschia mirabilis consists of 2 leaves, a stem base, and roots. According to the South African National Biodiversity Institute, carbon dating tells us that on average Welwitschia are 500 to 600 years old. Although some of the largest specimens are thought to be 2000 years old, the institute writes, their estimated lifespan is 400 to 1500 years. Growth occurs annually during the summer month. Number 4. A vertical forest. Milan Bosco Vertical or vertical forest may look like a bizarre art installation from the future, but it's actually quite real. The twin high-rises were completed in 2014 and include nearly 500 medium and large trees, 300 small trees, 5,000 shrubs and 11,000 plants, as well as more than 100 residential apartments. What's more, they are incredible for the environment. Each year, the towers can transfer approximately 45,000 pounds of carbon dioxide into oxygen. Number 3. A machine that prints brick roads. It can take weeks to properly lay down a brick road by hand, or you could get the same result much faster by using a Tiger Stone road printing machine. After workers load bricks into the hoppers, the machine arranges them and lays them out in the desired pattern just like a printer roll out papers. Number 2. A bubblegum pink lake. If you came across Australia's Lake Hillier or Hutt Lagoon without knowing anything about them, you might think that you had wandered into a Candyland-like dream world. That's because both the lake and the lagoon are bubblegum pink. The coloring is thought to be due to the high levels of salt in the water. Number 1. An island full of adoptable dogs. The island of Providencias in Turks and Caicos is basically a dream come true for dog lovers. Not only is it a tropical paradise, but it's also home to dozens of adorable rescue puppies that you can pet, play with and even adopt according to Travel and Leisure. The adoption is free and charity Potcake Place, the organizer that looks after the pups, will help make the travel arrangements to get your new dog home. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.